All right, so Rob Allen once again from the Johnson Controls Business Conference, and I'm joined by Terry Pearson. And Terry, I understand that you're a Controltrends veteran.
Yes, I was on last year to talk about our meter product line, which is over here. We've added some product line extensions to simplify the energy management of your buildings. Yeah, absolutely. So it's great to be here. And where's Eric?
So Eric has got a little boy on the way here any day now. So he's up tending to that. You know, Mama wouldn't let him come down here and play with us. He had to be close.
Hey, that was me 6 months ago. Congratulations. Congratulations, Eric.
Awesome.
So I want to talk to you a little bit about a new thermostat. We're going after the light commercial market. We even have some residential models now because we've had a lot of requests of, hey, Johnson Controls, you invented the thermostat. Where's your models? Well, here it is, and this is just a fantastic thermostat. It's got a full color touchscreen display, a programmable schedule, and so you can make it a little bit more decorative on your wall. You can actually customize it with photos. Turn on the screensaver and it'll show photos of your family, your pets, whatever suits your fancy. And this is really designed for simple thermostat control. It'll control staged equipment in your house with or without economizer.
That's really cool. I can only imagine what Eric would put on his for pictures.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you want to access it through your iPhone or through a laptop, we have a Wi-Fi upgrade as an option as well. And then we have an application that's available through Google Play or through the Apple App Store.
Very cool. That's awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very cool. You can see us selling a lot of those.
Oh, I hope so.
What else you got?
So now moving to a little bit more complexity in terms of control, we have our TEC 3000. This isn't released yet. You're actually looking at, this is a sneak peek preview for something that's coming out later this fall. And so what this will replace is our TEC 2000 product line. And so you can see we went to a full color touchscreen. The temperature itself is larger than the whole screen on here. And we have a very configurable controller. So when you have to go after fan coils with more complex control sequences, but you don't want to program it, you want to configure it, this is the product for you.
Very cool.
And so we were able to consolidate a lot of these down into very few models to make it easier to select and use as well.
So if we want more info on this, is it out yet? Can we get on Connected Community, or how does that?
Not quite yet. So we're not going to be out until about the October timeframe. We have some time yet. We're in our field trials. We got to make sure everything works perfectly before we release something new to the market. And so you can contact me directly and get some more information, because there's opportunity to provide a little bit of feedback just in case we can make some tweaks before we release it as well.
Very cool. So like always, Controltrends, Stromquist, bringing it to you first. That's how we do it, right?
Absolutely.
Very cool. You just got all kinds of goodies for us.
Oh, absolutely. And then stepping over here, we have our meters again. And so we extended the functionality of our meter product line. We came out with what we call the EM 4000 series. And what's different about this is it has expansion slots. And so what these expansion slots allow you to do is take in inputs, so digital inputs. Let's say you have a pulsed water meter, you can tie that into this device using an upgrade card. It still has the same accuracy and power control, or power measurement accuracy, but you can also put control functionality onto this. So if I hit a certain level of demand or capacity, I can trigger a binary output to turn something on or to turn something off. So actually last year on Controltrends I had a question of, can I use that meter to sequence a chiller? The old model you couldn't do that. The new model actually you could.
Very cool.
So
that's awesome.
just expanding the features that we have from Johnson Controls.
Awesome. All right, so what else?
So I want to talk a little bit about the old technology that's out there in the market, pneumatics. There's tons of it out there. In fact, there's millions upon millions of rooms that are still controlled by something like the T4000 thermostat. And so what we've done is come out with a wireless T4000 or the WT4000 thermostat. And so what this allows you to do is upgrade your system with either a standalone programmable time clock scheduled thermostat, which you'd have to do with a dual pressure system, or by turning a lot of set point knobs at night. You can do that locally at the stat, or pull it into your Facility Explorer system and have it so that you remotely automate the building and you get remote visibility. So I talked to a lot of pneumatic customers over the last year, and one of the things they said is, I can't see my pneumatic system. How do you see a pneumatic system? There's no way.
Right.
Well, you put these on the wall, you tie them into your system, I get a dashboard with everything there right for me. Also, there's some brains inside this now. If there's no air on the main line, or if there's leaks detected, you can alarm in the BAS. And also you eliminate the step of having to calibrate a pneumatic thermostat, which is often a source of discomfort and hot or cold calls for our customers.
Absolutely. That stuff's great. We've used that in the past. These work well. We've actually used these on a few jobs.
Excellent.
And seamless from start to finish. So
Excellent.
2 thumbs up.
Excellent. Great to hear.
Awesome.
Thank you, Ralph.
Thank you so much, man. I really
Absolutely.
appreciate it. You're a natural.
Thank you.
We love all this one take stuff.